Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the main currency on CoinStats. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the CoinStats app, then go to the More section in the bottom right corner, then tap on the Settings menu on the left side, and here if you scroll to the top of the screen, the second section is the main currency. And if you tap on it, you can choose the main currencies that you would like to use in the app. As you can see, for me, for right now, for me, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and US dollars is set. But as you can see, there are most of the major fiat currencies and cryptos are available, so you can choose the one that you use and what is your local currency. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.